heard the sirens blowing, the bells and whistles too. Had a towel over my shoulder, knowing there was nothing I could do. I threw it in, and I packed up this here old suitcase and headed for the door. Couldn't let it get up under my skin. You see, I heard about forever once upon a time, somewhere in between the two. I was yours and you were mine alone. And tomorrow came a calling, and yesterday looked back. Today we realized our love was gone. Songbird, sing us a love song, and heal these broken hearts with your melody. Songbird, bring us a new song, and let this love fly free. Girl, you're precious in the morning, saying let's forget about last night. You were drunk and I was crazy, let's just make love and make it all alright from now. And we'll apologize forever and toast to something kind, and drink ourselves right back into the ring somehow. Volatile and fragile sides, say handle with care. So powerful and humbling, really nothing to compare it to. But humanity's an angel, always honest, always true. And somewhere along the way she spoke to me and you. Songbird, sing us a love song, and heal our broken hearts with your melody. Songbird, bring us a new song, and let this love fly free. Let this love fly on free. Love's like a moment, love lasts forever. And etch a sketch, a Polaroid. It's like a symphony, a passing fancy. Can't be created, won't be destroyed. No, no. Oh no. See, I heard about forever once upon a time, somewhere in between the two. I was yours and you were mine alone. The restlessness is waiting, complacency is death. May courage give us the strength to carry on. Songbird, sing us a love song, heal our broken hearts with your melody. Songbird, bring us a new song, let this love fly free. Let this love fly on free. May this love go free.